So, hi guys. As I have told you in a recording that I'm going to tell about the two specialized cells which are present inside the leaves, which helps in the exchanging the materials. Okay. So, in orally I have told you, but now I'm going to show you how they actually look and appear and along with where they situated. Okay, so in a first slide you can see that the photosynthesis process name is there, and below is that the in there I have shown you the reaction means by using a carbon dioxide water molecules in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll they used to synthesize. A sugar is nothing but guys carbohydrate and the glucose. Okay, don't be get confused about it. And next is the it releases at last the oxygen. Okay, so in the next slide you can see that the two specialized cells I have told you that is present in the leaves, those are stomatal cells and the guard cells. So stomatal cells are nothing but the as I have told you, it's a tiny pores which on the surface of the leaves means a small pores like or the holes like structures present on the leaf, that is called as a stomatal cells. If you see under the microscope you can easily observe that which are the stomatal cell and which are the guard cells. So as I have given you also example in a recording where it's actually you can observe in naked eyes when the leaf or the leaves can be dry up at the time you can see it. So here I have shown you structure of a guard cells, or this is nothing but a leaf structure. Okay, so the leaf structure is there as I have shown you. So some important points. So you can see here the stomatal cells are present here guys. So the pores means a small spaces is there on the leaf. Okay, this is the surface, this is nothing but the surface, this is nothing but the uh, surface. That's why it is shown the stomatal cell on the at the edges of the at the sorry at the edges of the leaf. Okay, so you are seeing the distances are there between, so that's why they are nothing but the stomatal cells. So now the pores are nothing but the middle one, that is the stomatal cells, and which are present the surrounding of the stomatal cell, that is nothing but the guard cells. Okay, these are nothing but the guard cells. Okay, and inside them inside the guard cells, wait, let me show you. Inside the guard cell you can see the small uh, two pigments or the dot like structures are present, those are chlorophylls, or the chloroplast is a one organelle which consisting of the chlorophyll, so that's why it is just shown as a, like this. Okay, so this is actually the whole structure of the leaf internally present. Okay, so these are dotted things are all are the chlorophyll pigments. Okay, inside them inside the chloroplast the chlorophyll pigments are present. This is the leaf surface, the leaf surface. Okay, so the wax cuticle, why it is called as, because a wax like a transparent visualization you can see on the surface of the leaf, that's why it is called as a wax cuticle. Okay, the upper epidermis means epidermis means a upper layer, that is why it is called as a upper epidermis. Epidermis is nothing but a layer. Okay, so next let me erase it so you can understand. So some air species, lower epidermis means lower side of the layer. The mesophils are nothing but these cells. Okay, these all the cells. Okay, tube-like structure and surrounded structures. Those are the mesophyll cells. It's not necessary for you, but just for understanding, I'm telling you. Okay, this is the actual the structure of the leaf internally. You have to just keep in mind that where the stomatal cells are present and the guard cells and where the chlorophyll pigments, this much only. Next is the guard cells. What is the guard cells? The guard cells are the those cells appears like a kidney structure present surrounding the stomatal cells. Okay, so here the actual I'm shown you the structure of guard cells, so you no worry about it. So the pores are surrounded by a pair of kidney shaped cells known as a guard cells. A pores or the pores are surrounded means the stomatal cells are surrounded towards the kidney structure, like appearance is known as a guard cell. So these are nothing but I will show you, these are nothing but the pores guys. Okay, so inside the kidney structure you are seeing, that is actually the guard cells. Here some here you can see the labelings also there, that is a guard cells. Okay, so, and these are the stomatal pore, and these are the some epidermal cells. Means actually in this slide as I was shown you that this is the leaf internal structure, but this is the smaller one. Okay, so you can observe the some labels are also here. So now next they having a outer thin wall and inner thick wall. Outer thin wall, so you can see here the guard cells means you have to observe these cells only. So these cells having a insidely inner thick wall and outside the thin wall, and guard cell allows the opening and closing of stomates. So now what is mean by the opening and closing? So when they need any gases from the outside, at that time they opens, if not necessary they will be closed. Okay, that's why this process of stomatal closing and opening known as a this procedure stomatal opening and closing process. So that's why the how the guard cell allows opening and closing. So it's depending on the guard cells when they used to be open, when they used to be closed, whenever the exchange materials are necessary, then only. In last slide I have just shown you the how actually in nature the process takes place of the photosynthesis. Okay, so that's it guys. If you have not understood anything, just ask me. Thank you.